So we will go to Windows and brushes. हम Windows पे जाके brushes को choose करेंगे. उसके बाद we will get this kind of a dialog box here. अब यहाँ से we gonna make the brushes here. The process is pretty simple. We will make first of all a simple basic brush. Make a shape. Now you choose the color you wanted. So we can make more shapes here. Now we want to convert this shape in the brush. तो इसको हमें never ending brush में convert करना है. So we will select this brush. Plus tool पे click करोगे. You will just click on the plus tool. Pattern brush here. आपको कोई भी shape create करनी है. After making the shape, you will go to the plus button. You will choose the pattern brush here. After choosing a pattern brush, we'll press the OK button. So pattern brush is done here. Press OK. So we are done with the brush thing here. Now with the brush tool, हम इसको select करेंगे. Then we will basically use it like this. इस टाइप से हम किसी भी shape को as a brush में create कर सकते हैं. Once again, एक बार फिर से explain करता हूँ मैंने क्या create किया. हम लोग शेप टूल से पहले क्रिएट करेंगे अ बेसिक शेप. लाइक हम लोगों ने सर्कल क्रिएट किया. सिलेक्शन टूल से आप सिलेक्ट करोगे. से आप क्लिक करोगे प्लस बटन पे. ओके आप यहाँ से चूज करोगे पैटर्न ब्रश को हियर और ओके प्रेस कर दोगे. तो ये जो आपने शेप क्रिएट की है वो शेप आपकी बेसिक पैटर्न ब्रश में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगी. उसके बाद आप ओके प्रेस करोगे. तो दिस इज क्रिएटेड एज अ ब्रश. देन अ ब्रश टूल पे जाके यू कैन यूज इट हियर. So we are done with this. Same way, let's make with the pen tool another shape. So किसी भी shape को create कर सकते हो. So you can just make a basic shape like this. Using a pen tool, you can do the detailings here. इस shape को you can rotate it here. Rotate की बजाय we can reflect it. Vertical, then we can reflect it vertical copy. We can do horizontal again. So हमें इस step से shape मिल जाएगा. Get this kind of shape. as a brush में convert करने के लिए So you can select it. You go to plus button, pattern brush. Okay, press करोगे. So you get a brush thing done. Now you go to brushes. आप अपने brush को choose करोगे. And you can just use it like this. यहाँ तक clear है सबको? So इस टाइप से we can make the brushes. Okay, इसमें हम काफी सारे brushes बना सकते हैं. We can make zigzag brush. For example, you make a V shape. The shapes. अभी पहले before making the different brushes, let me explain you what is the settings of the brushes. What all settings we have in the brush setting है जिसको हम experiment कर सकते. So in this, for example, you are making a shape here. For example, we make a flower kind of thing or a motif. So इस step से ना we make a brush here like for the motif. दोनों शेप्स को सिलेक्ट करके we can duplicate it and copy. यहाँ से we'll go to the plus button here. After going to the plus button, हम यहाँ से choose कर सकते हैं pattern brush. Press OK. So we basically get a pattern brush here. तो यहाँ से once you make a pattern, you can press OK. अभी एक बार अगर हम OK press करते हैं, OK, यहाँ से if you press OK, we can save the brush here and apply wherever we want. Okay, इसमें काफी सारे options हैं which we can experiment here. जब brush को double click करोगे, you will get all these options. First option you have is a size option. You can just change the size like this, making it bigger and smaller. Apart from this, we have the spacing option. You can give a spacing. For example, if you give 20% spacing here, so you can see a gap between the brushes. For example, you are giving 30% of spacing. So according to the spacing, we will basically get the difference. After you're done with the spacing thing here, the second option is the flip option. You can flip the object horizontally and vertically as well. Okay. Then we can also add the corner thing, what you want on the corner. Currently it is like auto center, auto between, so you can do these options here. Once you're done with all these options, you can press OK. So we will basically see the difference. This is clear. Make this basic set of brushes. Okay, the next option we have is the stitch line brushes and the zipper brushes. So for doing the stitch line, we can use for example, we make the box here. You will basically go to the plus button here, pattern brush, press OK. So you will basically get this line option here. After doing this plus button, हमारे पास यहाँ पे spacing है. We can add the spacing here. जितना भी आपको spacing करना है. अभी जैसे 0 है. For example, if you want running stitch, so you will do 100 here. Okay, press करोगे. So you will basically get this brush here. The brush tool. Choose this lace brush and use it like. Now you will basically get the brush setting. So you get all these options. From here, you can just make the size smaller. Now the next thing comes here. Like making a multiple stitch lines. Like for example, you want to make a blanket stitches, or for example, you want to make some other stitches. So same way we can. So scallop, stitch lines. So with the L shape, you can just draw a L like this. So using a selection tool, you select plus button, pattern brush. So you will basically get the blankets. Copy paste the line and you can just apply on. Convert any shape in the brush now. Okay. Now the next thing comes here, for example, like a scallop brush, zigzag brushes. So for a zigzag brush, we make like, for example, V-kinded pattern brush. So we can just apply with the pen tool also. हम पेन टूल से एक लाइन ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं, हम उसके ऊपर ब्रश भी अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. So you can just draw a line like this, apply a brush on it. Only we can make the scallops as well. So using a pen tool, we can just make a one semicircle and then we can convert that semicircle in the proper scallop brush. Have a look at these brushes once, giving you a minute here. Okay, now let's make the colorful border as well with the brushes. Using a selection tool, for example, we made a sheet. You can basically make a colorful brushes in Illustrator. This you can't make it in actually Photoshop. In Photoshop, we can only make like a single color brushes. So you can select it, go to plus brushes, press OK. So you can apply the brush here. Okay, इस टाइप से हम brushes बना सकते हैं. For the zipper brush also, we can use the pen tool to draw the shapes. Okay, आप इस टाइप से shape बनाओगे. So you will select it, plus button, pattern brush. So you will just get the shapes like this. Okay, this step say you can make the zipper brushes. This you can apply directly on your hoodies, jackets, wherever you want to do. You can make a shapes like this. Or Sika like different version you can create the black and white pattern brush here and then you can apply it. Got it? This is how the zipper brush is done. Neither you were doing the same mistake only. So while making the brush in the Photoshop, now you are making very bigger brush. You have to make a very small brush. Then only you'll be able to get this kind of look.
So now also when I'm creating this zipper in Illustrator, why am I not able to get it in straight manner in 90 degree?
Can you send me the image how it is
Okay.
showing to you?
Yeah, okay.
So this is how you can do. Okay, you can draw the lines and you can apply the zipper on these lines as well. Okay, now if you want to showcase, so we can basically draw the line like this. इस तरीके से we can apply the zipper we wanted. Okay, these are the major brushes what we make. इसके अलावा we can make the gathers effect brush as well. So using a pen tool, you can just make one gather. ओके इस टाइप से वी कैन मेक द कॉम्प्लिकेटेड डिजाइन एज वेल. तो देन उसको हम ब्रश में कन्वर्ट करके वी कैन यूज इट लाइक दिस. तो हमारा एज अ बॉर्डर यूज हो जाएगा. उसके अलावा आपको अगर वो जो मैंने ऊपर गैदर्स के लिए शो किया था तो यू कैन मेक दैट एज वेल. आप किसी भी चीज को एज अ शेप में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हो. दिस इज हाउ वी कैन बेसिकली मेक द ब्रशेस. बड़ा इजी टॉपिक ही है, शॉर्ट टॉपिक है. Easily once you practice now automatically you will get an idea. Okay, so that's all for brushes topic.